Hi there everyone and welcome to the Weather Centre. Here's a quick check of our headlines in the Weather Centre, and we see that the KZN coastline remains showery for today, and while the current dry spell in the Western Cape continues, that changes on Friday as a front will be moving over the province. Gauteng and the surrounding areas remain dry and mostly clear over the next few days, and that helps to warm things up, and we expect it to be an especially warm weekend. Here's the satellite loop for the last couple of hours, and while it was clear overnight and into this morning for most of the country, in the far east cloud cover remained in place, and along with that there was early fog along the escarpment as well as the eastern Highveld. Closer to the coastline there were a few showers for parts of KZN. There were even a few small showers that drifted into the Lowveld overnight. That continues for the rest of today, especially for the coastal belt of KZN, as we can see the shades of green indicating where there could be a couple of showers. To the north of that, it's going to be a partly cloudy afternoon all across the northeastern parts, while over the central interior as well as the Cape provinces, it's going to be mostly clear and dry, although there is still a bank of fog that's going to hang around off the northern Cape coastline for the remainder of the day. The rainfall probability map shows mostly dry conditions, except in the east. Very isolated showers could develop along the Mpumalanga escarpment. There could also be one or two isolated showers reaching the coastal areas of KZN for the rest of your Tuesday. Here's a look at the wind forecast, and while light winds dominate over the interior of the country, closer to the coastline, especially in the east, we see moderate to fresh winds over this area. Wind speeds will be picking up as the afternoon progresses, and it will be especially windy towards the evening for parts of KZN and the Eastern Cape coastline. Maximum temperatures for today, quite warm in the north of the country, especially for Uppington at 28 degrees, the same high for Vredendal. Mahikeng gets to 25, while we see lower 20s for Gauteng. Similar conditions for the Free State, KZN, while towards the far south of the country it will be coolest, 19 for George and Port Elizabeth. A quick look ahead for Johannesburg, and tomorrow sees similar conditions to today, partly cloudy, 22 as a high, warming up as the cloud thins out towards the end of the week, and as mentioned, it is going to be an especially warm weekend, perhaps even the starts of spring for this area, mid-20s in the forecast with lots of sunshine. A look ahead for the rest of South Africa, and we see tomorrow is going to be dry over the country, still some cloud cover over the far eastern parts, and that changes as we head into Thursday with sunny and even warmer weather settling in the east, while the approaching cold front could bring some evening rain to Cape Town. It's going to be mostly cloudy and quite cool.